Warm morning to all of you present over here. My name is Jay Bombaya from 8th standard, and yesterday we went to VTI, means Vocational Training Camp and Institute, where we learned so many things and new things that had a lot of fun and enjoyment. First, we learned about CPR that all said, and the first aid means the first help, and the first aider means who help the first and the first helper of the person. We learned that CPR is very useful for our life, and CPR full form is cardiopulmonary resuscitations, and this means we have to do are using our hands and our fingers, and giving them two breaths means to adult to old wood we have to give 30 gem 2 means 30 compressions by using our hands and two breaths, and in childhood we have to give and use our hand like finger and thumb and give two breaths to them and save their lives. And we also learn about snake bites and dog bites and how can we prevent them to cause disease and infections. And it has a lot of fun and we had a new experience there. Thank you.
Today I am willing to share you the experience of VTI. So VTI is a branch where ones who have to learn something is learned for free. So I learned about CPR training. CPR means cardiac pulmonary resuscitation. CPR helps a person who is willing to about having a heart attack. So we have also not only learned about CPR but also learned about rabies vaccine, dog bite and nose bleeding. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
I am Lukasit from grade 8, currently in LIT. Today over here to share my experience of CPR visits. CPR is a basic thing which is known by everyone, which is useful for not only for us, for our family members, relatives and friends. CPR is the process which is given before the ambulance comes. Yeah, the equipment that ambulance is having, they're definitely not available at home, like injections, electric machines and all. But the techniques that we are giving, which is helping us, that how to give without any of the equipment, without our hands, using our body organs, like mouth and hands. Basically, CPR is containing 30 pumps of hands and 2 breaths. Before it, some basic techniques like checking the breath, checking the heart, that is it working or not. CPR is given when that the heart is totally not working. Not totally, but it is going to work. We can say that it is the process of restarting the heart. Thank you to school management that gave us this experience.
Thank you. Today, I would like to share my experience of yesterday's camp. Friends, we went to VTI camp. It means Vocational Training Institutional Camp, which is situated in old DSC building. We went there and we learned many things, like how to save life of a person who is suffering from emergency situation. We learned what actually CPR stands for. CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It's a very helpful process for us if we want to save life of anybody. We learned there how to follow this CPR process. We also learned what if a person is suffering from emergency situations such as dog bite or snake bite, how to save them, how to rescue that person. It was a very brand new experience for me, and I am thankful to DSC staff that they helped us very much for it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Standard 8. Yesterday we went to CPR camp, which means a person who fall down on road by heart disease like heart attack. So we should help him by checking the radical rate and carotid rate, and we should compress 30 times and two oxygen we will give, and we also learned that how dog bite and which vaccines we should take. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yesterday we went to Vocational Training Institute where we learned how to control a patient when it is suffering from heart attack around you, which means it's unconscious or conscious. We first need to check and call ambulance immediately. We learned CPR, which means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. if the person is conscious over there, and then immediately call the ambulance, and then we need to give 30 compression on the left side of our chest and do mouth breaths until the ambulance comes. Also we learn some first aid tips in which a person is suffering from a dog bite or a snake bite. What should we do until the doctor or treatment is given to the person? And we also see the nursing camp over there, which was having all hospital equipment. Like there was also a small cage in which a newborn baby is being kept. It was a fabulous experience which one should have in their life. Thank you and have a wonderful.
Our school had taken us to old school, as Krisha said. They taught us a life-saving technique named CPR. First of all, I would like to clear what is a CPR. CPR is a life-saving technique which is given to a person who is suffering from a heart attack or on its border to have a heart attack. It's really very important for everyone to know what is a CPR and how to give to a person until an ambulance comes. And I think that it's really very important because saving a life of a person is a good thing. Thank you.